What is that on the table? It looks like grape juice. Mom and Dad always drink that. It must taste really delicious. Maybe it's a special kind of grape juice. Maybe it's a special kind of grape juice.
Happy wedding day, darling.
Here's to many more years together.
It's a special Spanish wine.
It is really delicious. I'll just give it a try. What could possibly go wrong? Bae, that tastes good again. Who drinks that? Maybe you just have to drink more of it. Maybe you just have to drink more of it. Just until it tastes good. I'm slowly getting a taste for it. That tastes great. Just one more sip. I feel great. I love this grape juice. I'm going to school by bike. I've packed a little more grape juice. I've packed a little more grape juice. I can drink that along the way. Did you see that?
Why does she drive so strangely?
She drives worse than a drunk person.
We should check that out. Hey you, stop right now. This is the police speaking.
What do the police want from me? I haven't done anything wrong. I haven't done anything wrong.
We said you should stop. Drive right now.
I can't stop. Otherwise, I'll be late for class.
Does she mean that seriously? She really wants to leave?
Maybe she didn't understand us correctly.
Let's go after him. Hey, didn't you hear us? You should stop.
I'm thirsty. I think I'll have some more grape juice. I think I'll have some more grape juice. You'll never get me. Move away.
That's enough now. That's enough now. She won't escape.
Lessons have already started. I must hurry. Mr. Coons is certainly already mad at me. Mr. Coons is certainly already mad at me.
She went in here.
That must be their school.
I don't know what's wrong with the girl. But we must find them.
I'll have some more grape juice. I can focus better then. I can go in now. I can go in now.
Hi, Lisa.
What's up, Mr. Coons?
Is there something you'd like to tell us?
No, not really.
Why are you late?
It's none of your business.
What did you just say to me? What did you just say to me?
It's none of your business, old man.
That's enough now. You go to the headmistress right away. You'll get a reprimand for that.
Relax, bro.
Get out of here right now.
I'm not in the mood to go to the headmaster. I'd rather go shopping. I'd rather go shopping. Let's go to the shopping center.
So where did I stop? Oh yes, we wanted to write a test. Mr. Coons, take a look behind him. I won't fall for that trick again. Hi, we need your help. What are the police doing in our school? We're looking for a girl. She has black hair and blue eyes. She has black hair and blue eyes. That sounds like Lisa. She's just gone to the headmistress. All right, thanks.
I could use some new clothes. K&M has offers right now. Let's see what they have there. The dress looks great. I'm going to buy it. Excuse me, how much does this dress cost? Excuse me, how much does this dress cost? It costs 40 euros. Crap. I don't have any money with me. Do you want to buy the dress? Yes, I'll be right back. The dress is really nice. Unfortunately, I don't have the money to buy it. Unfortunately, I don't have the money to buy it. I always have good ideas when I drink this grape juice. I always have good ideas when I drink this grape juice. I'll have another sip. Then I'll find a solution. I'll just take the dress with me. It suits me better than anyone else anyway. I can go home now. This grape juice really makes you tired. I need to get some sleep. I'm going extra fast. I'm going extra fast.
That is the last warning. Stop immediately, or you'll be arrested.
What are they doing here again? I thought they were gone. Just leave me alone. Just leave me alone. I want to go home and sleep.
She's completely freaked out. I'm curious what her parents have to say about it.
I hope she'll be grounded for a long time. Then at least she'll learn something from it. It's enough for me. I'm going to hang them out. You'll never get me. You'll never get me.
What is she up to?
I don't know, but we've got to stop them.
Come on, afterwards.
I'm finally here. The police have no chance against me. I'm finally here. I can sleep in peace now. That was a really funny dream. That was a really funny dream. I was followed by the police. And I stole stuff. I should watch less TV.
Is your bike right up there, isn't it?
Yes, it looks the same.
We finally have them.
Good morning, Dad. Hi, Lisa. How are you doing? It works like this. I have a headache. Funny, did you do anything yesterday? Funny, did you do anything yesterday? No, I just had a weird dream. Tell me, where did the bottle of wine actually go? Do you mean the grape juice that was standing here? I drank it. You've done something? I drank the grape juice. It wasn't grape juice, Lisa. That was wine. Hands up, you're under arrest. But I didn't do anything. Not you, the girl. What did I do? What did I do? You don't know that anymore? You escaped from us. And you stole things. But it was all just a dream. You must be dreaming of that. You're coming with me now. Please let me out of here. You're staying in there until you learn your lesson. You're staying in there until you learn your lesson. But I can't remember anything anymore. I don't believe you. Please let Lisa go again.
It has caused us a lot of problems. Lisa is going to be staying here for a while.
There is an explanation for that.
I'm listening.
Lisa drank too much wine.
You gave your daughter alcohol? You gave your daughter alcohol?
No, she thought it was grape juice. That is why she behaved so strangely.
I understand. In that case, we can make an exception. Lisa is allowed to go. But they need to hide your wine better. But they need to hide your wine better.
Okay, I'll do that, I promise.
Okay, we're releasing Lisa again.
How much does the dress cost? A. 20 euros. B. 40 euros. C. 60 euros. Write a comment.